it's Yolka's Polka, and I am Yolka, your night owl. So, today it wasn't really a planned video, it just kind of worked out because I went to Joann's and they happened to have quite a bit of a sale, so I figured I would go ahead and do a little mini haul and share with you exactly what I got. Let's go ahead and see all the goodies. Okay, so the first thing on our list is this Happy Planner sticker sheets. It comes with 513 pieces of stickers, which is a lot of stickers. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and flip through all the pages so you can get an idea of what stickers you could possibly get if you run into this particular one at the store. So let's go ahead and flip through it. Moving on, we have the Park Lane sticker sheets. And what I liked about this one in particular is that it already has themed stickers for every month. So that's going to make our planning and our journaling so much easier because it's kind of already there and you don't have to look for more stickers. It's all in this one little booklet. So let's go ahead and do the same thing and flip through this one and see what we get. Now, this one I'm super excited for because I always wanted to get it, and it's the Disney Happy Planner sticker sheets. This one comes with 582 pieces, which once again, that's a lot of stickers. So let's go ahead and flip through this one and see what we get. Last but not least, I wanted to share with you this beautiful piece of foliage. Ooh. Yes, I know it's totally random, but I wanted to share it. So this is from Bloom Room and it's spring bushes, and what I wanted to do is add this to my Polka, which means shelf in Russian, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. And that concludes my little mini haul, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all a little later.